In this demonstration, we will look at how to have captions or subtitles show up above your screen when you're demonstrating in another application or a website. In order to do this, open up PowerPoint installed and go to the Slideshow tab. Make sure Always Use Subtitles is checked and enabled. You can change your subtitle settings if you would like to. I have already got mine set with my preferences above the slide and in a high contrast and 200% mode. Then select from beginning in the top left or the slideshow icon in the lower right to start the presentation. In a minute, you will see the subtitles showing up above your PowerPoint slide. Once they're showing up, right-click anywhere on the screen and select Screen and Show Taskbar. Then navigate to the other application or website you would like to demonstrate. I'm going to go to Chrome. And then I have to minimize Chrome once I'm on the website I want to demonstrate by clicking on the right-hand side middle icon to restore down. I may need to adjust the size of my screen in order to see the subtitles. And then I can see the subtitles above the website or application I'm about to demonstrate. So here I will type in the word captions and hit enter and navigate to my information about closed captions on Learn 71. I hope you found this demonstration helpful. If you would like more information, check out our other resources on Learn 71.